Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. It's Travis here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 strong buy penny stocks that different analysts at H.C. Wainwright say have over 200% growth potential each. So let's get into it. All right, that's cold. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're new to the channel, we appreciate you checking us out. Take a second real quick, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out as we continue to grow towards that 100,000 subscriber mark. But like I said, in today's video, we are going to be talking about those 3 strong buy penny stocks with over 200% growth potential as seen by 3 separate H.C. Wainwright analysts. And there's no better time than a Sunday to set yourself down, figure out what stocks you want to look at for the upcoming week, and start your due diligence in determining where you're going to put your hard-earned money. So I'm going to bring you this information today as kind of step 1 for that due diligence process, and you can take it from there. And as always, if any of you guys are thinking about opening up a new brokerage account just to have a couple different ones for whatever the purpose is, you can have one for growth, one for penny stocks, one for dividends. Check out the links below for maybe your Webull account, okay? If you want to open up one of those, you can get 2 free stocks just for first signing up and then funding your brokerage account with them. So it's free money. If you're looking to do it anyway, check out the links in the description section down below. Now, let's get right into the main focus of today's video. So we're looking at H.C. Wainwright & Co.'s analysts and their views on these 3 penny stocks. So I wanted to give you a heads up on who H.C. Wainwright was. They are an investment banking, advisory, research, sales, trading, and corporate access company out of Boston, Massachusetts. Their main website says they are one of the country's oldest and leading financial institutions, and services are tailored to meet the client's needs, and their expertise spans a wide range of industries and organizations. And the very first penny stock we're going to talk about today is X4 Pharmaceuticals. And they are building a global rare disease company focusing on all sorts of therapeutic candidates for those rare disease patients. They have both late stage and early stage therapeutic candidates going through the pipeline with multiple preclinicals, leadership and deep expertise in the science of the pathways they're utilizing for commercialization, and a really strong balance sheet with cash and equivalents expected to fund operations into the 4th quarter of 2022. Okay, and now here's the TipRanks strong buy list for this company, X4 Pharmaceuticals. Now, in the process of coming up with these companies, I just used my TipRanks membership, went into the strong buy penny stock section in the research tools, and picked out a list. And, I selected the strong buy options, I selected over 20% growth potential, and it gave me like 40 something options. And then I just started ciphering through those for companies that I thought had the best options. And then I realized that, hey, we've got a lot of these H.C. Wainwright guys giving commentary and analyst buy ratings on these companies. And that's how I started to really narrow it down to the 3 we're talking about today. Okay, so X4 Pharmaceuticals has 6 ratings, giving it a strong buy with an analyst price target over the next 12 months of $19.50, which right now is a 208% increase in the next 12 months. X4 Pharmaceuticals gets a SMART score of 10 with an outperform rating from TipRanks. Its analyst ratings give it a strong buy with very positive notes from TipRanks investors themselves, positive technicals, and increased hedge fund activities as well. Now, checking out the actual analysts and their specific ratings, here you can see we've got ratings from 9 days ago all the way to a month ago, okay? But the one we're focusing on first and foremost is going to be our H.C. Wainwright guy. He's giving it a $21 price target with a 231% upside potential, and that he has just reiterated within the month. Now, that is not far off from the one you see on Canaccord at the top there with a $20 price target, that one being reiterated only 9 days ago. But let's look a little bit closer at the H.C. Wainwright analyst. So here's your H.C. Wainwright analyst profile. And you're looking at a 5-star analyst. He's currently ranked number 255 out of over 7,500 analysts on TipRanks. And his 2-year success rate is over 50% with an average return of 40.7%. Moving on to our second penny stock of the day, the company is called Lumos Pharma, and they are a late-stage rare disease therapeutics company. Now, they've got a large market that they're working with initial indications of 1.2 billion, with follow-on indications representing about 2.2 billion more than that. They have experienced management and solid financial positions with a cash balance of 114.1 million as of the first quarter 2021's close. They've got a cash runway through anticipated growth and trial readouts with high-quality long-term investors and pipeline expansion. Lumos Pharma on the TipRanks website is a strong buy with 3 analyst ratings and an average price target over the next 12 months of $30.67. Again, another over 200% with 211.74% in the next 12 months. Lumos Pharma right now trading at $9.84. Lumos Pharma coming in with an 8 on their smart score with TipRanks, which is still an outperform. They have a strong buy consensus amongst the ratings and very positive investor sentiment. However, it does showcase some negative technicals and fundamentals over the recent months. On to the specific analyst ratings, and the top one is Edward White from, again, H.C. Wainwright, giving a $34 price target, showcasing a 245% potential upside that was reiterated only 9 days ago. Looking a little closer at Mr. White from H.C. Wainwright, he is almost a 5-star analyst. You can see a little bit of that 5th star not completely filled out, and he comes in as number 531 out of, again, that 7,500 analysts. So we're looking at a success rate of about 46% in the last 2 years and an average return of 29.8%. And the third and final penny stock on our list today is a company called Metacrene, and they are pioneering differentiated therapies to treat people with both liver and GI diseases. Again, showcasing the TipRanks strong buy rating with 4 analysts coming in. Metacrene currently has a $3.38 price tag. However, you're looking at the potential for a $19 12-month price target, which is an astounding 462% growth from the current price tag today. Even the lowest estimate among the 4 strong buy ratings is still $15, which is well in excess of the 200% that we were utilizing for the purpose of today's video. And Metacrene comes in with a smart score of 9, continuing our outperform ratings, has analyst ratings in the strong buy, investment sentiment as very positive, and recent shares purchased under the insider activity trends. As far as our analysts go, you can see we've got our H.C. Wainwright analyst, Ed Arce, or perhaps it's ARC, forgive me if I'm wrong either way, but he's got a price target of $15, so he is on our low end, but look at that, that's still 343.79% upside, and that was something initiated within the last 30 days. But again, that is the absolute lowest on our list of analysts today. Evercore ISI at $20, Canaccord Gen $19, RBC Capital, a bank I'm a big fan of, $22 with a 550% possible upside for this stock. And taking a look at Ed's analyst profile, our last H.C. Wainwright analyst, over 4 stars still. He is listed number 904 out of the 7,500 and some odd analysts currently ranked on TipRanks. And we've got a 42% success rate with an average return over our last 2 years of 20.3%. So there you have 3 strong buy stocks with over 200% and in one case 400% growth potential in the next 12 months as given to you by 3 top-rated H.C. Wainwright financial analysts. But remember, this should just serve as a starting point and a kickoff for you to start really delving into these companies to try to determine if you believe in the fundamentals of the company and what they're bringing to the table so that before you invest your hard-earned money, you feel really confident in what you're investing in. Remember that penny stocks can be exceedingly volatile, so you want to make sure you are very confident with the money you are investing. do so with money that you're willing to lose, okay? Also, remember, this video is just for information and entertainment purposes only. I am not recommending you buy or sell these stocks should you already happen to own them. I am just presenting the information to you, again, as that starting point so that you can take a look at what these financial professionals are seeing in their playbooks and what they're betting on to happen in the next 12 months. So if you're looking at stocks that can potentially bring you 200% growth in the next 12 months, there's 3 options to start your research with, guys. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I hope you have the fantastic rest of your Sunday. Enjoy the time with your family, but put in the work and go out there and start researching the stocks you're going to invest in this week. That's where the money's made, guys. It's in the research, not the investing. But get out there, do what is best for you and your money. Do the research, do the due diligence, and pick stocks that are going to benefit you. This is just kind of that starting point, right? But anyway, thank you so much for checking out the video. Until next time, bottoms up.